Welcome to my YouTube channel Shahi Works. In this session, we are gonna continue the Python tutorial. Okay. In the previous session, we saw about print statement. So, what is the print statement? Here, I am printing in between the strings. Okay. Always the print statement should be like this. So, this is what we saw about. Also, the variable a is equal to 5 or 6 here, and then I'm printing the variable. Okay. Print emails, it will give me the variable. And also we saw some type data type, right? So A is equal to 4 means print type of data. Okay, this is how you have to represent it. Always ensure you end up with a double quote since here for starting this bracket is for this and for A also we are including. So like this we saw. Now in this session we are gonna continue the variables, data types and operator. So first variables. So here what is variable? In the previous video, I have told variable is a named location. Okay, named location of computer memory. What is this means? It has if the variable here I'm having the value a variable as a. So I want the a to store the value for 4. Okay, simply if I write 4, wait, I will be typing here 4 print 4. So you can able to see variable is a named location of the computer memory. Sorry, you now you can able to see again I'm running. So you can able to see here 4. So variable why we are declaring variable means so here I have written it as 4. So print 4 for this is for one time I can easily type print 4. If I want multiple time I have to enter 4 like that I have to enter. So for storing it I'm using the variable a to store the value. So now I can easily write a means print A means it will be printing me the given value of A as 5. But here in this case, if I have to print each time the value, so this will be difficult. So for this only we are storing the variable. So now let's see some of the rules for variable. Okay, rules for variables. So I will be showing the example. So you tell. So first one A equal to 5. So here I am storing a variable as 1A equal to 4. Print 1A. Now let's see the output here. You can able to see syntax. Why? Because variable invalid decimal letter. So what means here the variable should not have the integer that is the numeric value in the front. Also now let's see another example here. Here a space and equal to 5. So if I run here means you can able to see here you can able to see invalid syntax because here I'm having the space right. So variable name should not have the space. So what all we saw now why we are declaring variable and rules. First variable should not have start with a numeric value and now it should not have space. So the next type means here a at equal to 7 print a at. So I'm giving like this. Now you can able to see here it's showing invalid syntax. Okay. Why? Because in variable there should not be any special character. So now I hope you understood. Now let's see another example. So what I have done here is underscore t. Okay. Now you can able to see the difference here. So underscore t means it's printing the value. So what it means, a variable should start with underscore, but not it should not be starting with numbers. It should not have space and it should not have any special character, but except underscore. So now the rules for declaring variable. So what are I told first? There should be no number. No, sorry, variable should not start with what First example, what I told, it should not start with number here. Okay, now you can able to see invalid decimal literal. So I'm giving it as number. So second point, what is the second point here? I have told second there should not be any space. Also, variable should not have what? Space. So next third what I have told, it should not have any special characters. Okay. So special characters. Special characters means that that at symbol, hashtag, that yes, dollar symbol, person like this, you should not contain any special characters. But except what I have told here, what? Underscore. Okay. Except underscore. Keep in mind these are the values. So I hope now you understood what is variable, why to declare a variable, and what are the rules for variable. First one, it should not start with numbers. Next, you should not have any space, and also third one is it should not have any special character except what is this underscore. Okay. So I hope now you understood what are variables. Okay. Now let's see the data types. So in the first video we saw about integer. Integer means what it is, float, string, sorry, float, numeric. Today we'll be seeing about the complex type. Okay. Next what we saw about the string. String means it will be in the form of text. So next, also today we will be seeing about, sorry, here, the third one is Boolean. Okay. Boolean mean what it will be of true or false. Okay. Now let's see. So in today previous session in integer, that is the form of numeric, numeric means it will be of integer, float, like that. So in the previous video I have told about what is integer. Float means it should have point, integer means number. So complex. So complex is, what is complex? Any idea about complex? So complex is nothing but here I am giving a j, sorry, variable, declaring variable as x and giving the value as, normally we'll be giving 2.3 like this, if this is full float. Complex means nothing but 2j. What it is here, you can able to see number and also the letter string. So this is known as complex. So I hope now you understood what is complex. So here 2j. Okay, now I will be printing type of x. So now you can able to see here what it is here, complex. So I hope now you understood. Integer means it is of the value, float means point, complex means like this to I to j, like that. Now let's see our string. String also I have posted in the previous video. Boolean. Okay. So Boolean. So what is Boolean? So now let's begin with Boolean. So Boolean means, as I have told, true or false. So I am declaring a variable yes equal to true. If you write true means like this, it will not get defined. Why? Because wait, I will be showing. So print yes. Here you cannot able to get the output. Okay, since because here, so here the true is not defined. Why? Because the boolean for true or false, always the first letter should be of caps. Now you can able to see it has changed. Now if I run this, you can able to see true. So s equal to f capital, f false, print yes means here you can able to see it's showing false. So I hope now you understood. In today's video we saw about variables, what are variables, how to declare the variables, also the rules for variables. Also we saw about the rules. They are of three types. They are of, first, it should not have any numbers, space, special characters except underscore. Next we saw about data type of float, complex and Boolean data type. In the next video, we'll be seeing about the operators. Okay. So thank you. Thank you for your attention till now.